Let's turn to a story that's coming in from Kerala. A shocking incident of mob lynching. Gruesome crime has come to light where a mob can be seen assaulting a Dalit laborer Ram Narayanan from Chhattisgarh after accusing him of theft in Kerala's Palakkad district, even branding him as a Bangladeshi, unfortunate term used in that context. The Chief Minister has got into the act, but clearly this is Kerala's moment of shame. Take a look at Get Real India.
He's asked where he hails from.
कहाँ है तुम?
दो ठोक हमारे था
बांग्लादेश
और
बांग्लादेश
दो ठोक ये
आपको बांग्लादेशी
हाँ
आपको बांग्लादेशी
हाँ
He's repeatedly asked, "Are you Bangladeshi?" And when he says yes, the mob begin their ruthless assault.
आपको बांग्लादेशी
हाँ हाँ
A migrant laborer from Chhattisgarh was beaten to death in Kerala's Palakkad as locals suspected he was a Bangladeshi infiltrator. Five people have been arrested and charged for murder.
One murder case has been registered and 5 persons have been arrested. 5 of the main accused have been arrested and remanded. As per our investigation, we are still trying to collect a lot of evidence. So we think that there is involvement of more number of accused, and accordingly legal action will be taken against them.
Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has also condemned the lynching and has assured that strict action will be taken. The Kerala Chief Minister also said that such acts tarnish the reputation of Kerala. The CPIM has blamed the RSS for spreading hate in Kerala.
സംഘപരിവാർ രാജ്യമാകെ പടർത്തിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന വർഗീയ വംശീയ വിഷത്തിൻ്റെ ഇരയാണ് രാംനാരായൺ ഭയ്യാൽ. പക്ഷേ നിർഭാഗ്യകരമെന്ന് പറയട്ടെ, ആൾക്കൂട്ടക്കൊല എന്ന് മാത്രമാണ് മാധ്യമങ്ങൾ ഉൾപ്പെടെ ഇപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
The family of the migrant laborer who was killed in the mob attack has refused to receive his mortal remains until all the culprits are nabbed and punished.
मेरे भाई को जो है यहाँ पे भीड़ द्वारा जो है पीटा गया है, तो जो भीड़ द्वारा पीटा जो धारा है मॉब लिंचिंग का, वो केस दर्ज होना चाहिए. और जो तहसील पुनावाला का धारा है SIT टीम गठित हो तक के परिवार में कमाने वाला वही अकेला व्यक्ति था. घर पे बूढ़ी माँ है, 2 बच्चे हैं, बीवी है. अब उसके घर पे कोई इनकम की कोई जरिया नहीं है.
आपको बांग्लादेशी
This mind-numbing lynching has rocked Kerala and even led to a political showdown on who is responsible for the hate attack. Bureau Report, India Today.